Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and this is a non-car car chat. As you can see, once again, I am not in my car. Honestly, if you want to know something, my car is stuck, literally, in the garage. The garage door is actually, it broke the other day, and we're in quarantine anyway, so can't go anywhere, and I haven't fixed the car garage door. So it'll be interesting. As soon as things get back to normal, we'll get that taken care of, and I'll be back in my car once again. But for now, I'm in my living room, and I'm sitting right where my Christmas tree used to be. We took our Christmas tree down today. It's always a little bittersweet. It's sad to see it go, but at the same time, your house gets bigger instantly, so that's nice. Let's see, so what's going on? I've been working all day from home. But I do have a couple things that I wanted to show you because I'm going to be writing some patterns. Actually, I've already started a couple of them, and two of them are scarves, and one of them is that headband I was wearing the other day. So here's the headband. I'll show it to you up close, and it is this really sparkly yarn, but I think I'm gonna make another one with a little less sparkly yarn in it. So yeah. So that's going to be one pattern. It's very easy. I don't think this took me more than an hour and a half, 2 hours to make. So cute. Put it on your nose like a nose warmer. That was the first project I ever did on my own. I was probably about 9 years old and my nose was always cold. So I literally made this like little circle, and I had 2 pieces of yarn and I tied it around my head, and I showed my grandmother. I was so proud of my nose warmer. And she was sweet. She didn't make fun of me. She just kind of smiled and nodded. Okay, so anyway, that's pattern number 1. So I'm going to be making that pattern soon for the headband. Pattern number 2. And I know you guys have, if you've watched many of my videos, you've probably seen me wearing this scarf already, but I haven't forgotten about it. I love it. Love this scarf. And the 2-leaf bar is the name of this stitch. So I think I'm going to write up that pattern because I love this scarf. It's so, so warm. Like, it's just so warm. It uses like chunky weight yarn, and oh, it's so nice and cuddly. So anyway, that is pattern number 2 that I'm writing soon. And the last pattern is another scarf, and I love the zigzag to it. It's really cool. But what really makes this scarf special is I'm calling this one the Super Duper Looper. That's the name that I've given this scarf. So it's got this big loop in it. And you put this around your neck. And you just draw one end through the loop. And then it stays in place really nice. Kind of looks like a necktie that a man would wear. So anyway, I like that idea too. And then you've only got the one end, and it's not gonna like fall off your shoulder constantly where you're constantly putting it back over your shoulder. So yeah, I call it the Super Duper Looper scarf, and that pattern is just about all done. I just need Ginger, maybe Mel, need someone to give it a test run for me just to make sure that I didn't mess up anything. And something else that's cute about this are these little bobbles at the end instead of fringe. I wanted something at the end, so I did bobbles. Bobbles. Anyway, so that is what I'm working on at the moment. What are you working on? Are you enjoying your first week of 2021? So far, it's not looking any less chaotic than 2020. But I have faith. I have faith that we'll get there. One thing that I've been doing every morning, and I've actually started this, before Christmas, is yoga in the morning. Now, for a few years, I had been doing cardio exercises in the morning, but I just got tired of it, and I just didn't want to do it anymore. But I wanted to do something to stay active. So last summer I was walking the dog more in the morning and getting outside, but then it started getting darker and darker, and I realized I needed to come up with something quick. Because if I fall off that wagon of doing something every morning, I'll stay off the wagon. So I had to find something else, and I was starting to get stiff from not moving as much. So I thought, yoga, let's try some yoga. And so I've been doing yoga with Cassandra, and I can leave a link in the description below or at the end of this video. And she's really good. I really like her way of teaching. There's a lot of the poses, even for the beginner level, that I can't do yet, but I'm working on it. And another thing that she does, excuse me, I'm always so phlegmy. Anyway, one thing that Cassandra does is she has you choose a word for yourself for your intention for the day, to set your intention for the day, and a word to focus on. And I really like that. It's really been good for me to just choose one word at the beginning of the day and focus on that throughout the day and make that part of your day. So, you know, like one day I knew I had a lot to get done for my job, and so I chose the word productive, you know, and today, after all the chaos of yesterday in the news, I just chose the word peace, because that's what I needed today. I just needed some peace. So I really like that. I really like that idea of setting a one-word intention for your day. So thank you, Cassandra. Not that you'll ever watch this unless you're really into watching obsolete crochet videos. But yeah. So I encourage you to, you know, find something that you do every day that brings you peace and joy and, yeah, gives you that good feeling, you know, good feeling in your heart. I don't know what I'm going to put at the end of this video for your Zen moment. I'll find something. It might be old footage, but I haven't been outside. It's really cold, and the sky has been white for days and days and days. My husband and I were trying to remember the last time it was sunny here, and we couldn't come up with a day. We couldn't remember the last time we saw the sun shining. And that's nice sometimes, but after a while, you're ready to see that sun shining again. So don't you worry. I will find something pretty to put at the end of the video, I promise. All right, guys. That's going to do it for me for this week. So I will see you on Saturday night. Hopefully you'll stop by and join us at Yarn Hookers. Almost forgot the name of our show. Yarn Hookers Live. We are at my channel this week, so right here at the Whippy Chick at 5:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. So I hope to see you there. And what else have I got going on? I think that's it. That's it. So, oh, and of course, if you haven't joined the Facebook group, come on over and join it. There's one for each. There's one for me, Julie the Whippy Chick. The Facebook group is called Crochet Connections, Whippy Chick Crochet Connections. So I'd love to see you there. Also, the Facebook Yarn Hookers group, Facebook Yarn Hookers, is a lot of fun. Right now we're doing a challenge. We're going to do monthly challenges, and this month's challenge is to try something new. As long as it is yarn related. So you try something new, you take a picture, put it on the Facebook group, on that post, and yeah, at the end of the month you're entered to win the drawing, so the random drawing, so for a prize. Everybody loves prizes, right? Okay. All right. We're also on Instagram too. Yeah. Yarn Hookers have taken over, man. Taken over social media. Okay, guys. I hope to see you soon. That's it. That's all I got. Hey, Willie. Come here. Come here. Maybe I can get Willie to come in on the picture. Come on over here. Come here. Look, guys. It's Willie. Can you look over here? That's one thing that's really nice about quarantine is you get to spend more time with your dog, right? You hungry? He's hungry. It's time to eat. Bye-bye, guys.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless?